we're gonna go recycle because we have to take care of Mother Nature, or Mother Nature does not take care of us. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, what time is it?
MonkeyTime. Oh, smells like
It smells like.
poo.
You got a bunch of cans. Today we're gonna go recycle because we have to take care of Mother Nature, or Mother Nature does not take care of us. Is that right?
Yeah.
See you later, guys.
I have $50 from the can.
All right, cool. So we went out early this morning, like we said, and we went to the recycling bin. We ended up turning in some of the cans that we've been collecting, right? A lot of work. We've been collecting it over time. And now, Aidan was rewarded with a big whopping $15. Not 50, goofball. It wasn't that much, but $15. But check that out. That's a lot of money, man. Right? That's a lot of money. Think about all the stuff you can buy. You can go to GameStop, maybe buy a used game. You can go... What are you doing, man? Uniform. So you can do a lot of stuff, man. Keep the good work, man. I'm really proud of you.
This is my first time signing.
Oh yeah, that's right. Something super exciting happened, right?
Yeah.
What had happened?
My
The guy
first-
asked you to what?
Sign.
To sign for your name so he can give you the money. And this was the first time that you had ever, right?
Sign.
Signs for anything. So that was cool. Really good experience, huh?
Wait, we thought the baba was the chicken dying. They're killing a chicken. It was a chicken.
It was a chicken, yeah.
I saw next door.
You saw next door? Yeah,
I
we
didn't-
have chickens next door.
I didn't see the door.
Uh-huh.
I didn't see the chicken. I saw a pickaxe.
Like from Minecraft?
Yeah.
They're gonna chop its head off? Oh my gosh. Anyway, man, we'll get back to that's another story for another day. We're getting a little too vicious. So anyway, what do? Keep Mother Nature happy, and Mother Nature keeps us happy by giving us back some sweet, tender moolah. All right, guys, what time is it?
MonkeyTime.
I'll talk to you guys later.